Welcome to TechCaliber channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. Now what dark mode does is it will help your eyes to see in darker environment, which will be also helpful for your eyes and will not stress them. So to enable dark mode in Google Chrome, what we need to do is just open up our Chrome browser. Then on Google, just search for Chrome Web Store. Then just open up Chrome Web Store. And in here, type for dark mode for Google Chrome. And then just scroll down. And then just open up dark mode dark reader for Chrome by darktheme.org. Just open this up. Then just click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Then just wait patiently. It will download and install for you. And there you go. Dark mode has been added. Just click on this. Click on the extension, just scroll down and find the extension. There you go, just click on it. And after that, it will be black. Then just open up a new tab and go to google.com. And there you go, dark mode has been enabled because your Google white background has been turned into black. And basically that is how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.